Here are our tips for deciphering between a song's underlying composition and its sound recording. The underlying composition of a song can exist only in silence. Why? Because lyrics can be written, music can be scored, and the instant that happens, they're protected by copyright without even needing to hear them out loud. On the other hand, a sound recording must have a sound that's been recorded. Still, no matter how many sound recordings of an underlying composition there are, we always have a sense of what the underlying composition actually is. Think about an artist's mainstream song you heard on the radio, with all the swooshes, beat drops, and effects. That's one sound recording of an underlying composition. Now, think about when that artist does only an acoustic version of the same song using a guitar. That's another sound recording of the same underlying composition. Your ability to know that it's the same song is because you intrinsically recognize the underlying composition, whether in lyrics, melody, or both, even without all the production bells and whistles.